Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy JB. Welcome back to the channel. And today, after a year and a few months, we finally got our package that we backed on Kickstarter. I said, and I wanted to share this experience with you because, you know, there's a lot of back and forth saying like, you guys are a scam, you guys are the worst company, but they're actually starting to receive their packages. I followed the campaign, and there were a lot of backers that are beyond 2,000, and they were getting theirs. So I was a little upset that I was backer number 50 and I wasn't getting it. So yeah, I mean, it takes some time, but I can understand that over a year and a couple months, you want your product that you're backed for. I myself have bought a couple helmets afterwards, but this one I was really excited about because it's you know, it's a low maintenance helmet for something that you don't have to go fast on. I started riding an EUC, and remarkably, like, my favorite EUC is the Falcon, which doesn't go as fast, but this helmet is actually designed for PEV riders in mind, like the one wheel, the EUC if you're not going too fast, electric scooters, and e-bikes. So there's not a lot of helmets that do so. So yeah, with that said, I'm really happy to get this unboxed for you and share my experiences after watching a couple videos that are people getting theirs. For some reason, a lot of people that are getting theirs, I don't know what their packaging looks like, but this is how my package looks like. You know, the unboxings that I've watched, which is only like a couple, and a lot of the comments that I read on the website, they're saying like their box came super damaged, but the helmet was okay. So we're gonna see if that's true with this package, because it looks pretty well packaged. So let's get this unboxed for you guys and see, and get you guys excited, because I know you're gonna actually get yours in a couple of months or weeks. I set a timeline in getting mine in November, just because I know how shipping is from China. And this was actually a French designer from France, and it was made in China, shipped from China as well. So it's gonna take some time to get to you if you're in the States, which I myself gave a few months prior to this. So I have a couple more months of waiting, but I didn't have to wait a couple months because it came early, and I was excited. I was surprised. I was like, what the hell is this? And yeah, so I'm excited to share with you guys the product. Ooh. So packaging, yes, it's not that perfect. It seems like it's just your typical Chinese packaging with the cheap boxes, but it's not about the packaging that counts. So I got the white version with the MIPS version, and I also ordered reflective visor, which is the blue one, sky blue mirror. Looks pretty nice, I'd say. So we're gonna first unbox for you guys the helmet. Now, like I said, I'm really excited about this helmet because I've actually recently learned how to EUC, which is an electric unicycle, and you know, I have a small one. You got the Beam Virgo. Thank you for your support and patience. You know, box is not as damaged as the others that I've been saying, but this is the helmet itself. I hope it's not damaged, but the packaging itself is, the bag is silky smooth. Oh, I'll tell you guys, this looks so nice. White. Okay. Get that open for you. A couple stuff already has fallen out. So I got the white version, MIPS version with the blacked out visor. I think that was the default version, and then you can grab yourself an extra lens. We'll take that to the side and let's see what comes with it. Already the chin, one of the side chin mounts already came off. This is just Velcro, so easy to put on, nothing too crazy. It comes with the helmet itself. A mount for the smart light, the smart brake light that goes in the back, and we'll get that set up too. I think it is. Yeah. And then the smart brake light, basically, this is measured by speed. If you're moving, there's different modes. There's different modes where you can have it flashing or solid line. So when you're moving, once you stop, it'll blink solid line. So it makes you easier to see or more visible, especially at night. You got a little USB charger in the bag that barely fits the bag, which is hilarious because what the fuck? Why did they put it in half a bag? That's kind of hilarious. Some books and safety material. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put this on the side. Looks like the mounting. Wait, what the fuck is this? Looks like you just clip it on there. I don't need that extra piece. I don't know what this piece is for. Okay, so the brake light is on. Take that out and power it up, which I'm hoping is not dead. Yeah, it is dead. Oh no, it's not. So you just press and press and hold. So basically, that's your stop, and then you'll be, yeah. Once you're moving, it'll dim down a little bit, but you can still see. But once you stop, it'll flash, or it'll blink solid red. And there's different modes on it, so you just keep pressing it. Is that one? So you get the blinking one, and then when you stop, it'll keep blinking. I think that's gonna be my favorite mode. But yeah, you have a slow blinking one, and when you stop, it'll blink red. And then to turn it off, you just press and hold, I believe, and that's that. The visor goes up, so you get full view. Okay, let's try this baby on, and then it does come with just some normal buckles. Now I did get the large version. No issues at all in fitting. I do have earrings on, and my hair is wet, so I'm already catching. My earrings are catching on there. But simple as that. Put it down. Boom. I like the vision inside. I look kind of funky in here. But I like the vision inside. I like how you can just flip up your visor and you get the helmet. I gotta figure out what this is, to be honest with you. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get some footage of me with the helmet this week, hopefully, and then add it to the video. And then we have one more thing to unbox, which is the sky blue mirror, and it's universal sizing, so it fits on any size that you get. Come in a silky pouch, and I guess these are the extra mounting clips that goes inside your helmet. Ooh, this is nice. It has a yellow inside, but when you go look from the outside, it's kind of bluish. So futuristic. So I'm gonna try to get footage with both of them on and see like how I like it. But yeah, after a whole 1 year and couple months wait, we finally got our helmet. This is a helmet I'll probably keep on hand just for short trips, like the grocery store or something, where I don't have to have just a regular helmet that doesn't have a chin guard. This one perfectly has a chin guard, so in case it's rated up to like 28 miles per hour. But if you're going to the grocery store or like getting some milk tea or whatever, or coffee, you don't need to be going that fast anyway. Perfect. It's a solid build. You know, you have a lot of ventilation in case you do want to ride in the summer. But yeah, perfect to be seen. Got some safety here, but yeah. Just a little note, just continue to support the Beam. They're working hard to get these products out to everyone that backed them. I know it takes a while, but that's how really Kickstarter is. It's a risk kind of thing that you have to take, because there's some products that I did back that I never got, and then these I was confident in the Beam because they actually had successful products that came out, and I think this is an actually like a successful product because the build quality is pretty great. I don't know what these metals are for. I did see some ear covers for the helmet itself, so I don't know if they'll come up with that, because that's kind of a good thing to do in case you do, or it's a good thing to have, because in case like in the future, you know, you just want to keep your ears in there, then ew, it got wet because of my hair. Yeah, your ears will be covered, and you can even have like an intercom system installed, so you can have like the speakers in the actual like earmuffs itself, or you could just put your earpods on and you'll be able to listen to music while you're still riding. Like I said, I have to still test out how it sounds while I'm riding, but I'll put the probably footages in the video once that's done. But yeah, if you guys do like these types of videos, like again, support the channel, leave a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, so I could do more videos like this. But with that said, it's your boy JB signing out. Peace.